Using the ultimate universal paving and wall cladding adhesive is ideal for fixing porcelain patio tiles and natural stones to external bases and walls. You will require a bucket, clean water, electric drill with paddle, and your safety PPE. For mixing directions for the universal paving and wall cladding adhesive, follow the manufacturer's instructions. For this particular one, you would need a 1-in-3 mix. When installing the station range porcelain sets, install onto a screed or concrete base and use the correct tile adhesive to fix into position. You can then apply a slurry mix to the back of the porcelain tile. Then install the spacers, place in your tile and level it. So why not consider our porcelain set and edging range to put a frame around the outside of your patio and pull the whole structure and style together.